If you're new, this is your life. Please like and subscribe. Taking a quick walk in the hood. This is all life. Enjoy. I got water in my mouth. That's why. I kind of bit my tongue. Yeah, I'm in the hood. I'm in the hood, Southwest. Hey, it's the hood, man. It's Philly. Yeah, Philadelphia. Yep, it's the hood in Philly. Somebody tell you want to move to Philly, think twice. It's think twice. That's it. Think twice before moving to Philadelphia. Yep, it's the hood. Shit everywhere. Morning, baby. Hey, kitty. What's up, kitty? Look at the cat. That's the hood, man. The cat being happy as hell. Across the street, it's like, that's the school, that's the daycare. Yep. Yeah, man. He's taking a quick walking tour in the ghetto of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, United States. Yep. It's a quick tour. This is how it look like early in the morning. The neighborhood looking trashy. Yep. I ain't trying to put nobody down, nothing. I'm just showing the real is real. You know what I mean? I ain't sugarcoating nothing, no editing. Over to my left, that's a stove. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go in the store real quick. Let me see what I can get. It's the dollar store, but it's not a dollar. It's just a regular corner store. You know what I mean? So, hey, gee, I got Limor, lime.
What is that?
Limor, lime.
Lime?
Yeah.
Like if you want to put in the barrel?
Yeah.
See where you standing at? On the other side of you.
Okay, cool. On the other side.
You come right here.
Oh. All right, thank you.
Should be in the green jump.
The green joint, all right.
That's what you're looking for.
Yep. Let me see.
Going somewhere right here.
Oh, you got the big one. Damn.
And the small one right there on the side.
How much the small one, G?
The price ain't on it?
Oh, damn, I ain't bringing enough.
What's the price on it?
180.
Oh, you got to have enough, baby.
Yeah. I gotta be back for it, shit.
It's the first money in the morning.
Oh, yeah. It gotta be correct.
Got to be correct.
Yeah, it gotta be correct. I feel you on that one.
None.
Yeah, I'm gonna spin back around, G. Yeah. Oh, I thought it's 180. I gotta need 80 cents. Yeah, guys, I don't have much to buy them outside. Hey, like 80 cents. That's 25, 50, 75. Look, 75 and a penny. Put that together. I could not buy what I wanted. Well, you can call me broke all you want. I just don't have the money right now. So, continue on my walk. Yep, just walking in the hood, man. It's the hood. It's the hood. It's like, what's the hood? You don't see nobody. Because it's like 5 or 5 something in the morning, almost 6 o'clock in the morning. You know what I mean? Nigga been trapping all night. Right now, they just falling back and sleeping. You know what I mean? Yeah. For real. If you're new, don't forget to hit the notification button, like and subscribe. There's some bricks over here. Oh. That barrel, I don't know. You can use it for something. I'm not sure. I ain't sure about it. Z is Z-O-N. Z as in zebra. O as in over. N as in Nancy. Is space. L as in live. Morning. I as in Eve, whatever. V as in Victor. E as in Emmanuel. In the space between the Z-O-N and the space between the L-I-V-E. So yeah. It's the same on all platforms. It isn't. There's no difference in your hand. There's no difference. And then I forgot what I was saying. I get like that sometimes. You know what I mean? It's a barber shop. Like, yeah, barber shop. It's regular barber shop. They're closed right now. You know what I mean? Regular barber shop. It's just like, these niggas, man. This is America. Ready? If you don't know what this is Southwest, well, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's a banner building right there. Oh my gosh, shit, uh-oh. Car look like it been parked for years. Nobody like driving and shit. Yep. So white man sitting on right early in the morning. He sit on the corner street too. Try to see this like, it's how some people's houses look like. Over here, the water thing probably messed up. They're trying to fix it. Sidewalk. Yep, bust the concrete. This person got trees growing, boy. Got it going on. Yep.